Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send Chainlink tokens from Bitrue to Metamask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need an account on Bitrue with some Chainlink, Link, tokens, and Metamask installed on your browser or mobile app. Also, double-check that both platforms are set to the Ethereum network, as Chainlink is an ERC20 token. Step 1. Open your Metamask wallet and ensure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. Click on your wallet address at the top and copy it to your clipboard. This is the address where your Chainlink tokens will land, so don't mix it up with any other. Next, log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section, find your Chainlink tokens, and select the Withdraw option. You'll see a form pop up asking for the recipient address, the amount you want to send, and possibly some network fees. Paste your Metamask wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount of Chainlink you wish to transfer, and take a moment to review the transaction details. Remember, gas fees on Ethereum can vary, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. After you confirm, Bitrue will process the withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, you can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan by copying the transaction ID from Bitrue. Finally, once the transaction is complete, switch back to Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your Chainlink tokens added to your balance. Awesome job! You've just moved your assets like a pro. In conclusion, sending Chainlink from Bitrue to Metamask is a breeze when you follow these steps. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and double-checking addresses. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.